Hello, my crafty friends. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge. I have a special project today. I found a kit from my friend Tina on Shabbydabbydoodah. That's her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. And oh my God, I just fell in love with it. It's Paris Bloom, and I knew I had to make something special out of it. It is so soft and kind of muted, and oh, it's just gorgeous. So I made, inspired by Patrica the envelopes. I think she took 7 envelopes, and I played around with it. So this is the cover. I just kept that simple, just sewed on it. And this is everything from here is the kit, except for some tea dye paper. And this is just some of the paper. And I even had problems with my ink that I've been having with the yellow, and I'm working on it. Even though I had problems, it came out beautiful. So, and the ones that came out too purple, I just added some yellow in it because, oh, the kit is just gorgeous. So that's Paris and Bloom, Shabbydabbydoodah. So those two I left plain because it was getting too thick. Here I made a envelope with some of the ephemera in it, with the clear plastic. This is all done in beeswax. Well, this I had in my stash. And then just some paper to soften it up. Here is, again, one of her kit, or a piece in the kit on burlap. And then just these adorable little ephemera pieces. And the kit is big. And then an envelope. And I just stuck some paper over that. That's a little tuck spot. And then this little, it's just so pretty. And then we go over here. I made a little notepad, and then a pocket, and then one of the match booklets, and that tucks in there. And then that just flips up for writing. Yeah, let's see. And then this flips over. And I have more writings. Just rough. It just spoke to me. It's just so pretty. And then here is her beautiful tags. And I just made a little corner pocket. And there. And then it opens up again. And there's 3 of her beautiful postcards. This was a second add-on. I believe some of the postcards. So, and those go there. And here, these are so fun to make. Was an envelope with my little alpaca fiber, and some that goes with the envelope. And I just made a little tuck spot with the music paper. And then here, some more writing spots, some more writing paper. This is a little altered paper clip, a little spot there. And then another little matchbox, and then some more of the postcards. Again, you gotta be careful. You can't really fill these up too much. But, let's see. And then back I left plain, but in here I did manage to make a little journal. So this is very simple, rustic-y. Just got her paper and some rough paper. This is the only decoration I put in. It's a pocket that, well, I lied. Here's some of her, just some of her kit that I put in. Just a simple little journal. And it does tuck in there. Oh. But I just love, oh, it's just gorgeous. So that's Shabbydabbydoodah in Paris and Bloom. If you haven't checked her out. And this actually does fit in there carefully. So this is listed on my Etsy, and it's really, oh, this I just left plain because I thought I needed at least one page plain. So this is really fun. Tina, thank you for designing such a beautiful kit, and hope you go check her out, and thanks, and we'll see you soon. Oh, next I have 2 design team. I have ephemera coming up, and I got a really cool project for a Tattered Dream tutorial / project. So see you soon. Bye.